Hey everyone, and welcome to the second video in the series of getting started with HTML5. In this video I'm going to be showing you a bit about the ways you can put text on your web pages, including the paragraph tag, span tags, headings 1 through to 6, and lists both unordered and ordered. So let's get started. So this is the HTML page from the last tutorial that I've added a little bit more onto. So we've already seen the heading tag, which looks like this. And it's worth noting that you can only have one heading per page. It's very bad practice to have more than one H1 tag, but you can have multiple subheadings. So here's an example of a subheading, is this H2 tag, which you'll see here. So this is a H2 tag, and as you can see the H3 is slightly smaller and the H4, and these can go right down to H5 and 6 for very nested headings. So that's nice and straightforward. The next thing I want to show you is the paragraph tag, which again we've already seen. It's what you use to paste paragraphs of text. So in this particular page I've got two paragraphs. I've got this first one with the placeholder lorem ipsum text, and then this slightly shorter one. And if I save this and refresh, you'll see that both these paragraphs are on different lines. So it's worth noting that paragraph tags are not in line, so there'll automatically be a line break between the lines. However, span tags, which I'm going to show you now, which look like this, if I save this and refresh, you'll see that although they're on different lines here, I'm a span, I'm another span, they've all been pasted on the same line here. So now I'm going to show you how you can put them on another line without using the paragraph tags, and this would be with the break line. So the break line tag looks just like this. It has no content in it and accepts no attributes. So you'll see that will push it onto your next line. And it's worth noting that the spacings in your HTML only make a difference to its readability properties. The browser will not interpret spaces, so even if you've got loads of spaces here like that, it won't do anything to your page. The breakline tag can also go within another tag, so if I wanted to, say, have this bit on a new line here, you can do that quite easily. That's on a new line now. However, without any breakline tags, you'll see that this text here is auto-wrappable, so if a window shrinks, the text will also shrink accordingly. And then it'll grow again. Right, the next tag I'm going to show you is how you make lists in HTML. So I'll just get rid of this to make it clearer. There's two main types of list, an ordered list and an unordered list. To start off, I'm going to show you an ordered list. So you have everything between these OL tags, which stand for ordered list, and you can have list item. Each item in the list must be between the list item tags. So you can have list item 1, list item 2, and another list item. And if I save that and refresh, you will see that it's automatically put it into a list for us with the 1, 2, and 3. And you can have this in a different style very easily. So you just do, say, type equals. If you did that, that should display it by lowercase letters. You could do it by uppercase letters. You could do it by Roman numerals and uppercase Roman numerals. Basically, you can order your lists by a whole range of different stuff. Unordered lists are pretty much the same, but they just start with UL instead of OL to stand for unordered list. Like that. Yep. So one last thing I'm going to show you before we finish off for this video is how to do a comment in HTML. Comments are really useful for making your code more readable when you come back to it in the future, or if another developer starts working on it, especially when you get into bigger projects. And comments are ignored by the browser, so you can write what you like in them. This is the syntax of a comment here. So I would just write so that's how you do a comment, and if you save that and run it here, you'll see nothing's changed because comments do not show up. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I hope it was some help. There'll be the link to the one below in the description. Bye.